Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this tutorial, I am going to show you how to change your Facebook account password. To change your Facebook account password, firstly open your Facebook application and make sure you are logged into your Facebook account. After that, tap on three light icon at the top right corner of your screen. After that, tap on settings and privacy at the bottom of your screen. Now tap on settings. Now tap on the first option, Meta Account Centers. After that, tap on password and security in account settings section. You can see the change password option in login and recovery section. Tap on that. Now tap on the account that you want to change your password. Now type your current password. Now type your new password. After typing your new password, tap on change password. A pop-up message will show up which says your password has been changed. So this is how you will be able to change a password in your Facebook account. If you found this video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a like. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press that notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming videos from us. Thank you and see you in next video.